Hey guys, I arrived at Busan station. Let me introduce you this place and trains. Follow me. If you come to second floor, you can buy some tickets here. But at the end of this video, I will tell you how to book a Korean train using a computer. And tomorrow is a holiday, so many people are in here. This is a traditional game. This game name is True Home. Throw the 5 arrows to the pole. Wow. And if you come to here, you can watch the departures schedule. Many train, ITX, KTX, SRT, Mugunghwa. Four kind of trains. And KTX and SRT is most fast train in Korea. So I will show you the train. This is ITX Semal. This color is red. This is faster than Mugunghwa, but not KTX. KTX is most fast. You can see this is KTX, the blue line. And you can see the room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will show you the first class and economy class. First, if you come to first class, you can drink water free. And you can see the newspaper, and there's this cell phone battery charging machine. Yeah, you can see this. And here is toilet, and a little bit different. Like this. Wow, beautiful river. And this is economy class. Look like this, very small. The seat is so narrow, and the seat is not smooth. Seat is uncomfortable, very small. Many luggage here. Okay, I'll go to toilet. Oh, all people. Hey, this is KKX toilet. What the fuck? Why? Now stop. Why? Okay. Like this. If you put this like this, and boom. And this one also boom, like this. If you want to take Korean train, search Korail first. And then ticket reservation. Okay, if you want to come to Busan, Seoul to Busan, check it, and then type all adult inquiry. You can see a lot of train. Okay, I'm not rich, economy. Then you have to check like this. Next, you will pay the money, but before I want to show you the fare. Okay, you can see adult. This is $50, but if you use Mugunghwa, the fare is half fare of KTX. This is $25. And then if you want to use ITX fare, this is about $36. So I think KTX or 무궁화, it is good, but ITX is not good, just expensive but not so fast. But if you want to look the view of Korea, I recommend 무궁화. It's good, feeling so good. But I want to recommend another ticket, Korail Pass. Here, Korail Pass. Korail Pass is rail pass for foreign visitors. Explore and discover Korea by train. Korail operates in economic way. So you can see details. If you use this ticket over two times in 2 days, use this. Even if you are one person, it's better. But if you are two or 5 people, use it. This is cheap. You can get up to 2 seat tickets per day. And if you want to get rail ticket, not Korail Pass, you can use application also. Search Korail and you can book the ticket.